Worldwatch is 11:30 p.m. PST, July 24th, and FAUSTO has strengthened to 90 knots. Uh, it has a pretty good eye, probably near its peak. The moving to 75 by 12 knots. Strong subtropical ridge should remain the next few days, pushing it toward Hawaii. So yeah, I mean, this will definitely threaten Hawaii, but will definitely be weakening as it moves over colder water, more stable air. So most likely a minimum tropical storm by the time it does so. Here's a picture of it tonight. Still has a nice eye. Uh, will probably start weakening. Let's take a look at it. So I don't know. Here it's tracked towards Hawaii over the next few days. And as you can see, I mean, it has been shifted a little bit north, so it's becoming less of a threat, but it's still a threat nonetheless. Here's the models. Here's the GFS, which is a little bit more of a threat comparably, but it's definitely going to be weakening as this approach. And her the definite weakening, but most likely below hurricane strength by 60 hours. Um, Next, we gotta look at Genevieve. Um, it's down to about 45 knots, but you definitely see more of a core forming CDO, like as well as CDO. So it could actually start strengthening at a pretty decent rate. It was 45 knots based on the data. But yeah, I mean, I expect it will start strengthening. It will head west northwestward, then northwestward, and it will peak out on 115 knots by 72 hours. So a Cat 4 hurricane before it weakens, reaches cool water and starts weakening. I think with that core, I mean, I think it's pretty damn likely this thing does become a very powerful hurricane in the next 3 to 4 days. Let's look at the GFS. 969 peak at 96 hours before weakening. Uh, EPS shows a little bit weaker, but hey, still pretty strong. Um, Intensity models, most of them 115, 110 to 115, most likely. Um, so yeah, I mean, I think they'll be impressive in the next few days. Now, Typhoon now, over the South China Sea has 70 knot winds. It's moving toward China and should make landfall later tomorrow around 90, 95 knots, as you can see. We take a look at this. Look at that eye trying to form. There's China. Let's look at the models. They definitely make a landfall in the next 24 hours. We got one more system we're watching. 93W. This is. I don't think it's gonna form, but hey, it's possible. It does have some convection, but maybe MLC right in here. We'll have to see what it does. That's your world watch.